Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to create digital products and make money. How to create digital products and make money. The presentation will guide you on the steps to create a digital product and monetize them effectively. An introduction. In this presentation, you will learn the key steps to create and monetize successful digital products. So welcome to the presentation on creating digital products and make money online. The first step is to identify a need, a problem, a challenges that your audience are making. So the first step here is to creating digital product is to identify a need in the market. Then after you identify a need in the market, then research the market, find out what problem people are facing, and determine a product idea that can solve those problems. That is the first step. Identify a need, a problem, a challenge that your audience are facing. Then 2, develop your product. Design and create high quality product that provide value to your target audience. Once you have identified a need, then start developing your digital product. Then let's move to the step 3. Creating a marketing strategy. Creating a marketing strategy. Having a great product is not enough. You need a solid marketing strategy to promote your digital product. Define your target audience, plan your marketing channels, and create compelling content to attract customers. This aspect is very crucial because no matter how type of product you create, then you need a marketing strategy that can drive your audience, the customers, to your sales page before they can buy your product. Then the next step is set up a sales funnel. You've identified a problem, you've created a product, then you have identified your marketing strategy that you want to use to promote your product. Then the next step is to set up a sales funnel. Set up an effective sales funnel to convert leads into paying customers. This is very crucial because it's a page where your visitor will determine whether to buy your product or not. So a sales funnel is a step-by-step process that guides your potential customers from awareness to purchase. So this aspect is very important. Then the next step is to price your product. You determine the price of your product. This is very important and crucial aspect because if the price of your product is very low, then people may think the product is low quality. And if the price is very high, then people may not run away from it. So you need to know how to structure your price. The first step is to look at other products in the market and see or check how to structure their price. So pricing your digital product is crucial for monetization. Research similar products in the market, analyze their pricing strategies, and set a competitive price for your product. Then the next one is launch and promote. You've done everything. You've identified the problem. You've created your product. You've finalized the strategies you want to use to promote it. You've created a sales page. Then the next one is to launch and promote. Utilize social media, email marketing, and other promotion techniques to reach your target audience. And also, your product is ready. It is time to launch to promote. So your product is already ready. So it's time to launch. I've explained you can utilize social media, email marketing, and other promotion techniques to reach your target. So the next one is provide excellent support. You need to provide support for your customers in case they have any question, in case they have any doubt about your product. So customer satisfaction is essential for long-term success. Offer excellent support to your customers, address their queries promptly, and provide value-added services. Then monitor performance. Analyze sales, customer feedback, and make necessary improvement to enhance the product performance. Then you need to look at listen to the feedback of your customers, what they are saying about the product, where there is need for improvement. So regularly monitoring the performance of your digital product is very, very important and essential to make sure that you provide a good improvement. Then expand your product line. Once you have established a successful digital product, consider expanding your product line. Identify new opportunity, create complementary products, and make sure you continue to grow your business online. Then the last one is diversify your revenue stream. You don't want to stay on one product alone. Then after you launch the first problem, then make sure you launch the second one and third one to ensure that you build authority in your niche. So diversify your revenue stream. Explore options like affiliate marketing, partnership, or offering additional sales related to your digital product. So don't just depend your revenue or your income on the product you create and sell. So you can also employ other methods such as affiliate marketing, partnership, and so on to maximize your earning. Make sure you diversify your revenue streams. In conclusion, creating a digital product and making money require carefully planning and execution. So follow this step outlined in this presentation and start your journey to success. And if you want to learn how to launch a successful product, digital product, online courses, a mastermind group, a membership site, don't forget to join free launch masterclass by Jeff Walker, one of the legendary marketers that have taught thousands of people on how to create and launch online courses, membership class, and so on. So visit updip.com/PLF3 to register for the free masterclass training. Or also you can also visit the link below this video to click the link there and register for the free training. I hope this video has helped you to understand the steps you can take to launch and create a digital product that can sell and make money. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also like this video. I wish you the best of luck on your journey. Thank you for watching.